Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert page breaks to your Excel file and how to remove them. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then you should tap on this page layout button in the upper left corner of the screen below the search bar. And then tap on breaks, which is the third option. Here you can find the insert page break button, so tap on it and then a page break will be inserted, as you can see. If you would like to get rid of it, just tap on the same button again and then click on the remove page breaks button. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.